Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can activate Quick Launch. So we have to go for the settings at the first. Right now find advanced features and go for it. And when you are here we have to go for the S for the side key, sorry. As you can see I have some problem with my display. Okay, and when you are here, we have to simply tap on the double press option right here, and right now it's activated. So when we double press power key, we are quickly open the camera. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course, subscribe to our channel.